Honest thoughts naman po sa new Hyundai Creta Premium variant. So itong si Joshua, isa yan sa mga loyal at consistent viewer natin dito sa page. So shoutout sa iyo Joshua. And dahil dyan, tara sagutin natin. On my previous videos, I think I have expressed enough how much I love the new Hyundai Creta N-Line. Yun nga, napaka-sporty niya, napaka-angas, performance compact SUV kumbaga, diba? But like I said, not everyone wants that kind of vibe. There are times that I like the sporty look, the sporty, like the red accents and all of that good sport stuff. There are also times that I'm actually in between. I'm always torn between the sporty vibe or just the plain elegant look. And that is where the Creta Premium variant comes in. It basically has a lot of the great things of the top of the line, just stripped off of the mostly cosmetics and the sporty red vibe accents. Though major difference na talaga is yung kanyang engine, kasi performance compact crossover SUV talaga si Creta N-Line. So medyo malaki yung difference sa power output and the torque, because it's really for that, you know. Aside from the engine, para sa akin great enough naman yung engine, yung premium variant. Sobrang okay na nun. 1.5 liter naturally aspirated engine, great for, good enough for city driving and occasional na mga ahonan and long trips. Aside from the engine, major difference is yung kanyang front grille. May pagka honeycomb kasi yung kay Creta N-Line. Yung kay Premium is medyo ano lang siya, linear. Good news if you want the premium variant is you still get to enjoy the Hyundai Smart Sensing, which is great. Lane keeping assist, all of the good stuff, avoidance, collision. So okay naman talaga yung features niya. And then you also have the integrated, yung malaking infotainment screen combined with the instrument cluster. So as the name suggests, napaka-premium talaga. Wala pa yung mga red accent, so parang ang sarap lang din sa mata, napaka-kulang. Yun lang talaga is wala lang talaga siyang 360 degree surround view monitor. Yun lang yung pinaka major advantage ni N-Line in terms of the features para sa akin. Overall, medyo sayang talaga na wala siyang 360 degree camera, but I can say that napaka premium lang talaga ng vibe, especially ng interior, and okay na okay din yung looks. So yan, sana nakatulong. Please check out my compact crossover SUV playlist on YouTube. See you there.